Today, as a result of that encounter, it has inspired us to change Nigeria, to change Delta State, to also change Warri with the technology that we have been able to learn, we have been able to start using, and that is the reason why we also aligned ourselves with the current agenda of the current Delta State government, which is the more agenda, which opens up opportunities to everybody, which also empowers youth as well. Because by teaching people this skill for free, it then means that they will be able to integrate into the future-proof economy that is coming. And blockchain artificial intelligence is the skill that we are giving out. The first thing that we're tackling today is artificial intelligence, then we move to blockchain, and then we move towards web development. All of these we'll be doing it in the shortest space of time and doing hands-on practical work so that each and every one of us will be able to smile and enjoy this class and also make some money from this class because we still get to the end. There's $1,000 opportunity that I'm going to be sharing at the end of this event. So guys, on this note, in the word of Steve Jobs, he says, the only way to do great work is to love what you are doing. And he also says it is innovation that distinguishes between a leader and a follower. So on this note, I want you guys to innovate with the technology that we're learning today and apply it to your businesses so that it will scale in terms of what technology. On that note, welcome to this first edition of our free training. 6 years ago, we started Burn, and at Burn, we exchange currencies, we're into artificial intelligence education and blockchain education, and we want to see this replicated in the lives of everyone. On this note, welcome to our first training and welcome everyone. We'll start today with artificial intelligence, which is the tool, which is the technology that is making way everywhere, the technology that is making a high level of buzz around the globe. Now, I want you to imagine a world that doctors can easily detect diseases. Some of you, if you go to the hospital, they want to give you injection, and they are trying to find your vein. They'll be hitting your hand like this. I want you to imagine a world where you no longer need to hit your hand to find your vein. Just by an MRI scan, they just see your veins and then they impute that needle without stress. I want you to imagine a world where we can have high level of, because there is high level of food scarcity now, where there will be better crop production, better disease control, and this is just because of what? Artificial intelligence. Now, for you to succeed in the world of artificial intelligence, there are some terms that you must know. For you to succeed in the world of artificial intelligence, to know this thing, there are some terms that you must know. What is the first term that you must know? The first term that you must know is big data. And big data is the fuel for artificial intelligence. You see, there is no need buying a car and not putting fuel in the car to use the car. It then means that you wasted money and you just wasted every single seed around the car. So imagine artificial intelligence. What is that fuel that allows artificial intelligence to move forward? So I want you to imagine this just as experience is to human, just as experience is to human being. That is what data is to artificial intelligence. Human beings, they learn from experience. Artificial intelligence learns from what? From data. And what is that term called? It is called big data. The next term you must know is a term that is called chatbot. Have you ever used Siri, maybe used ChatGPT, or use Alexa. That's an example of a chatbot. A chatbot helps to answer questions and also help to automate tasks. A lot of companies have used chatbots to quickly reduce the cost of employing and hiring what individuals in their businesses. They use it to cut down the cost. And one thing that the chatbot does is that you can train the chatbot over and over and over again so that it now has high level of personalized information for that your client, so that when just imagine that maybe um Master Ola here loves chocolates, and there are some certain brands of chocolates that he loves. Once he converts with the chatbot one, two, three, four times, and he has given the chatbot those levels of chocolates that he, or those types of different chocolates, the next time the chatbot will have trained itself so well that it will be able to what? Respond effectively and efficiently towards Masala. And the third term that you must know before we get building, because we are going to be building a chatbot that you can apply to your business today. Whatever business you're doing, you can build a chatbot on that particular word, on that particular platform. Now, the third term that you must know before we get building is the term called data mining. How many of you know police? Does anyone know police? Does anyone know police in this place? No police. No police. Good. You see, they go out, they detect crime. They go out, they try to investigate and uncover truths. So imagine, when we started, we talked about experience. Imagine all those experiences that you have had all your life. One lonely night, you start thinking of those experiences. Had a maybe somebody broke your heart, maybe somebody stole your money, maybe somebody refused to give you something that is good. You are looking for all of those experiences. You are matching patterns together and trying to draw what a conclusion. Whenever you are doing that in artificial intelligence, the term that we refer to is called what? Data mining. And these are the three artificial intelligence terms that you must know. The reason why we are learning how to build chatbots today is because, please go back one more slide. Okay, go forward. Go forward. The reason why we are learning how to build chatbots today is because of instant support, cost saving, and improved what experience, just like I explained earlier. Go forward a bit. It's and what we basically explain that with data mining, you can collect data, you can find patterns, and you can what predict behavior. You can use it to what Amazon does this data mining so that they can recommend products and services to you. Go forward. These are some of the applications of what artificial intelligence we saw in healthcare. This is in agriculture. This is in what education, and artificial intelligence has been able to save a lot of costs, especially in operational costs, up to this value that you are seeing in hundreds of billions of dollars. That's also increased productivity 2x and what efficiency. I tell you, recently we started growing with the online search side of our business. We stayed for about 2 years and we had just two courses. When artificial intelligence came in 2023, 2024, and we plugged into artificial intelligence today, we have about 8 different courses because we've been able to produce faster with what artificial intelligence. That helped us to be able to produce courses faster using what artificial intelligence. And when you have been able to do that, you can just move to, there's a tool here I was using earlier. Come to this gamma, and you can use this tool to be able to quickly create courses that you can sell online, maybe on XT, maybe on Seller, maybe on your personal website, because we're also going to be learning how to develop such a product for you to use. So let's develop the first thing that we're building today, which will be chatbot. Please go to chatbase. So we're going to be using a website called Chatbase to build this chatbot. We're going to be using a website called Chatbase, chatbase.co here. Okay, click on this, click on this. No, 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 no. Click on this, let's see. Click on this tab. Okay, let's see. Great. Once you open your chat page, you will see an interface like this. How many of you are ready to build chatbots today for your businesses? If you have a business, if you've ever used chatbots before, if you've ever used chatbots before, this is how chatbots are built. Now, um, so there's when you open up you see this interface. We want to create a new agent. Notice I have created one agent here before called for my personal website, and this agent is the agent called rumedomi.com. This one is just for my yes chatbase.co. So click on new agent. Click on new agent. Wait, close. Click on new agent. Wow, it seems when I was creating, close this once. Okay, click on this. Guys, I want us to start this from the beginning. So I would love for someone else to register. It seems once you register one account, right? Because I used this for a demo yesterday. And sorry. Okay, so I'm going to quickly switch my accounts here so that we can create this from scratch. So we can create this from scratch. So I'm going to be signing out here, and then once you log in, this is what it is. It shows you this. Then you click on build your agent. Guys, can you see this? So build your agent. It will ask you to sign up. You can sign up with a Google account if you have a Google account. So because of the fact that I want to be fast, we already have some preset Google accounts here. So I'll just sign up with the Vorem crypto Google account. So now that I'm signing up with a Vorem Google account, this is what we have. One minute, I have to share this screen. I have to share this screen for our audience out there so they can see what we're doing here. Great. So as soon as you create a new account with a new email, you get this. And then you click on new agent. Once you click on new agent, it would ask you to create the agent, which is your chatbot that you want to use for your personal website. So if you are to create that, how do you do that? You can feed. Remember when we started, I told you some artificial intelligence terms, right? I said you must know what is called big data. That is the experience that the artificial intelligence will learn from. And then you must also know what we call data mining. So the artificial intelligence will draw data from it. So now, what is the agent asking me to do? This agent is asking me now to feed data to it. It's telling me that tell me your experience so that I can make decisions for you in the future. How do I then tell this agent my experience? There are a couple of ways I can tell this agent my experience. I can use saved files that are on my laptop. I can use text if I have information about I can use website, I can use Q&A, I can use Notion. For this purpose of this, let's use websites. Now, the website we're going to be using is the Vorem website called the vorem.co website. So once you do that, you click on fetch links here. As soon as you click on fetch link, this agent will crawl to the website link that you're giving to it and analyze all information that is currently on that website. Once it is done analyzing all information on that website, whatever service your customer needs to know about your business or your product, that service would be answered by this agent. Now, note that with the free version of this chat base, you can only use about 10 links. So now you have to decide which one. So we have the main vorem.co link, you have email protection, you have privacy, FAQ, explore. So about 10 different links is what we need here. So let's delete some of them. Which one will not be so important for us? So let's say we delete this. Let's delete this as well. Let's delete. So we have, see, as these are some of the courses on the Vorem website. Different crypto finance, different masterclass, how to make money with AI, introduction to distributed ledger technology. Let me remove this forgot password. But I don't think we will need that. So let's count. Is it more than 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need to remove 1, 2, 3. So let's see. What are we removing? Email protection, privacy. Um, hmm. Guys, which one should we remove again?
Since you are here answering us, you have to quickly ask us.
Oh, okay. All right. So we have. So let's see. Let's see. Let's create. So once you are done with this, the next thing you need to do is to create your agent. So you create your chatbot next. Once you create your chatbot next, your chatbot would then. So imagine you go on a website, same thing that I have here for this website here, and I would want to maybe communicate with the chat-based AI, and I say, by the way, you can create a chatbot like me for your website. Now, I can ask, what is chat-based? So this has given us this answer. So let's see if our AI agent has actually learned. So let's see what what is Vorem. So let's start with as basic as that. So you can ask, what courses can I take with Vorem? And you can see the courses that Vorem offers. So we don't need a customer service representative again, just when you have trained your chatbot to be able to respond in this manner on your on your website. And just like you have a chatbot with any global website in the world responding to you, like you have the Binance, like you have the Coinbase, like you have KuCoin, you can just immediately, in less than 15 minutes, just as we've experienced here, create a chatbot for your what? For your business. If you would love to get learn deeper on this, like you can see the AI cryptocurrency essential masterclass 2024, how to make money with AI. I think the underlying text for AI, the underlying text for our AI courses, which is this one, from code to consciousness, you definitely see quite a lot of tips and tricks that I have added to what to ensure that you can succeed in the world of artificial intelligence. On that note, we've come to the end of our AI section. Are there any questions, any feedback, and any concerns that you have? Okay,
After I've created a chatbot, do you still need some necessary features of the business?
come again.
After you've created your chatbot, do you still need, like, let's say, the transport part of business?
When you create the chatbot, do you still need some necessary parts for your business?
Yes.
Do you mean feeding it more data to understand those necessary parts of the business?
Yeah.
Yes, once you have created a chatbot, you still have the opportunity to feed it more data. Like you saw, there is a paid version and there is a what? A free version. So with the paid version, you can go into your chatbot and still feed it more data about your business. And notice there are different ways we could feed our agents data. We could feed it with text, we could feed it with videos, and we just fed it with any of websites. So there are still other ways that we can. So imagine you're having a logistics company, you can still feed it more information about when your boss is going to move, the time that you will be ready for customers to what, engage with them. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
For it, I want to ask about the free version because I think when you do a presentation, you can feed in your data via text,
Yes.
you can feed your data via websites, and you share from files.
Okay.
From the free version, is it possible to feed in your data? Maybe you put in the website, put in that via the 3 or 4 um, patterns there
Okay, well, I didn't try the 3 or 4 patterns there. I just,
simultaneously.
yes, I didn't try the 3 or 4 patterns simultaneously. I just brought out the link from our website. So I just fed the data from our website. However, I'm positive that we should have a way to be able to do that. And once you have done that, this is the next thing you do. You come here to actions, then you can publish your chatbot to you can publish your chatbot to your website, to your so once you have this paid version, you can then integrate it to something like your Calendly, your website, and a lot of things like that. And then because that would be the next thing. Somebody might want to ask. You can see Slack.
That's my next question. How do you
Yeah,
integrate it to your
yeah, you can see like Slack here and all those things. This thing is blocking that. But you can see like Slack and all those things, and you can just quickly integrate your chatbot. So you just click on action. Imagine this was paid. You will see because these things are just one of the sweetest thing about artificial intelligence is the ease at which it has made us to be able to do things. Plug and play, no code solutions. So these no code solutions are extremely helpful for average individuals like me that don't know how to code. So I explore a lot of no code solutions. So you can see our chatbot is still there, available to answer us. What you just do, you pay for it and then what you launch your chatbot, take the API and then you integrate it into your what? Into your backend. All right. So Next thing on our list today is to move on to next thing on our list today is to move on to the blockchain session. Is to move on to the blockchain session, and we are going to be creating a token from this section. However, just before we create that token, I want to see if this is working yet. There are two tools that we can use to create a token. Now, a lot of interesting. Let's go to the blockchain side. Let's see the blockchain side. Why this is loading, guys, we are going to be creating a token next. Most of you must have, if you are like me, or you possibly put a coin into, put money into one coin, and maybe you're not scared that maybe this the way this money is going out. Meme coins are meme coins recently have just been extremely crazy, and it seems now like it's only the people that are creating these meme coins that are making money from it. In fact, it's so crazy now that even presidents are jumping on it. The president of Argentina, the president of US, the president of I think Big Girls, all of that country like that. And I think that was Carl, yeah, but and you can see that that's where personal branding comes again. One thing you must know when you want to delve into this world of blockchain is this blockchain helps to create wealth in ways that is decentralized, which means that anybody, anywhere across the globe can be able to contribute towards your cause and give you credit towards your cause if he or she resonates with the story or the brand story that you are what telling. So a lot of people how have they been able to well this is not our blockchain. So a lot of people how have they been able to do
I'm
that?
trying to get to YouTube.
A lot of people, how have they been able to do that? They've been able to use platforms like Pump.com to launch statements, platforms like Orion tools, platforms like launch tools, just like I was trying to do. But one major problem I found with people launching tokens is that when they launch it on Pump.com, it usually does not do as well as they want it to do because everybody is launching on Pump.com. And when you launch the Pump.com, there is a high possibility that it's not being on radio, which is the official exchange platform of Solana. And because it's not on radio, which is the official exchange platform of Solana, a lot of people might not want to buy it because if it's not on radio, then it will not be showing on what on Dex screener. I think this is it. It will not be showing on Dex what on Dex screener. And what I want to teach you now is what you can do to ensure that it's showing on the Dex screener. You can burn that token, and a lot of people can. This is easy peasy, but very easy peasy. I want us to understand that today we will be if you have the right skill and the right tools. And I said something that why um, blockchain and Understand this, when we started 6 years ago, we built on the foundation of innovation. And the innovation that came for us, just like I made mention of the bank, in terms of crowdfunding, getting money, for us, we were able to solve a problem in the market. As of that time, I noticed that other people in my community, is that they don't know how to use Ludo very well, or they don't know how to use Binance very well. And then they always getting scammed. So next slide, please. And we solve that problem that if not you people know, let them come to us. That you are getting scammed, let them come to us. And then we were leveraging blockchain technology in to be able to what make transactions safe and seamless for them. Now, come on, next slide, please. Now, what was the differentiating factor between me and a lot of people? The differentiating factor between me and a lot of people was that I got my hands dirty and I learned some skills. One of the first skills that I learned was trading, how to be able to trade, buy low, sell high. Another skill that I learned was how to explore the FX market, to be able to exploit the spread of the FX market and make money. Like there are some people that you call now and say, I want $50,000 or $500,000. They will maybe for the next 1 week or the next 2 weeks, they cannot find $500,000 or $50,000 for you. But there are some other people that have built that network over time. If you call them immediately now, in another 30 minutes, 1 hour, you'll find all of that volume for you. So somebody was saying something like that when I charge $5,000 for my session, when I charge $5,000 for my consulting, now I'm charging $5,000 for someone to charge $5,000 because of the network, because of the amount of experience and what I have gained over time. And you can see this applies again, even as we are communicating, that just because you learn blockchain and all of these things ahead of time, you would now be able to get the network to exploit one or two of these opportunities. So let's go to the next slide. Okay. And what is the benefit of having your own token? One of the benefits of having your own token is the wealth that comes along with having your own token. Because as someone that has your own token, you will be the first buyer of that token. And if you have a very good marketing strategy, it then means that a lot of people will be buying your token after you are bought. And that will see that you make a lot of money. Another benefit of having your own token is that it gives you a sense of responsibility. By the time you have a token, you are not idle, you are looking for ways to be able to promote it, and then you are building community. It helps you to gain some level of experience as well. So that is the reason why we a lot of people have their token, and a lot of people also want to raise money for their projects. And these are the three reasons why people have their token. Today we will be using platforms to launch this token. One of the platforms that we'll be using today is a platform called Orion Tools. I will go back so that we'll be on the platform called what? Orion Tools. So there are a couple of processes that you must follow. Step one, you must have created maybe a website. Step two, you must have created um, a social media account. Step three, you must have also generated or created a logo. I'm going to be doing it step by step for each and every one of us. So for the purpose of this, guys, this is very interesting and also very um, technical a bit. So I will need to sit for this and be able to guide you. On this note, please favor let me have the working seat so that I can do this. So guys, follow me. Follow me very well. Follow me as we launch this token. Now, This is the platform that you are going to be using to launch and create your own token. This is a platform that you will be using to launch and create your own what token. The platform we're using is called oriontools.io. It is as simple as what you can see, although there are a couple of charges that it would ask you to pay. Charges like this, like you can see here, 0.3 Solana. You can see here 0.1 Solana. You can also see here 0. What 1 Solana. This is a total already of about 0.5 what Solana. Now, so how do you go about it? Imagine you want to create the token and imagine this token. So for you to create a token, the first thing that you must do is you must go online and find a trendy topic. You must go online and find a trendy topic. One of the places that you can go and find a trendy topic in today's world, 2025, is the platform called X. It's a platform called X. As you can see, we have Zelensky, the president of Ukraine, on our screen, and this is trendy right now because Donald Trump has been giving this guy back-to-back bass. According to how they say it, he has been giving this guy back-to-back lash. So what you want to do is to use your GOC AI. So that's why we started with artificial intelligence, because we are going to be using some artificial intelligence process to speed up our what our work. So we use the GOC AI, and when we use the GOC AI, um, 1 minute, let me be sure that this is pushing out. Sorry, I have to share my screen out. Okay, all right. So because this is GOC AI, I have already saved my own GPT before now, and my GPT I saved before now is the roommate GPT, and my GPT has my brand voice, quite a lot of my brand voice. And this account is a premium account, so that's the reason why you are seeing GOG3. GOG3 is the latest artificial intelligence model that came from what? From X. Now, when I was working on this last, give me trending topics that you have currently on Twitter, and I think I'm opening another artificial intelligence app. That's this LLM called. So I want to paste that. Give me trending topics on Twitter now. Now, once let's while we are waiting for you to give us a trending topic, another tool that you'll be using. Okay, so these are some of the. It seems like there's a lot of buzz around Shiva, a Bollywood movie that is making waves and breaking box office record. People are also talking about Ukraine and Ramadan, which are trending topics worldwide. In Nigeria, Lambo and Bona are trending, likely referring to Lamborghini cars and Nigerian musician Burna Boy. There's also something trending like that. So we want to know what is trending so that you can do what? Cash in on the trends. Then the next thing you do is to generate your artificial intelligence, your coin you want to create, you generate the logo of the coin. And it is because we are generating the logo of the coin, that's why we are using this tool called ideogram. You can also use another tool, which is the Google LLM that was released that outperforms Sora image generation, and this is called the VEO, the Google DeepMind image generation tool. The Google DeepMind image generation tool. Now, I tell you the truth, Alina, some of the things that these tools used to do, your graphic designer of 13, 14 years ago cannot do many of them, because I've explored and I've been at the forefront of this technology, also been an employer of labor, and I have seen the magic that artificial intelligence used to what create. So this is the Google so you can do try this. You can just try this out and be able to use it. But we're not using this Google DeepMind today because we've already started the process here with our ideogram. So all you need to do, like I said for this, I gave it a prompt. I said design a logo for TikTok GPT coin. So the name of our coin we're creating today is TikTok GPT coin, leveraging the viral power of, and this coin basically is just going to leverage the viral power of TikTok and the meme culture surrounding it using what artificial intelligence. The logo should be handmade and contrasting. So it gave me this logo. So now I've saved this logo. Wow, what a logo. Let me go and save this one. Um, save this one. And once you save this, so imagine we've saved this, and this is the logo of our coin. Now you come back to your Orion tools here. And once you are here, what do? You'd type in the name of the coin that you want to create. TikTok, Tik, TOK, G, TikTok, GPT coin. Guys, you cannot make a mistake here. If you make a mistake here, it's like you cannot change it. The reason why you will not be able to change it is because it has gone on the blockchain. And since it's on the blockchain, the metadata of this has already been minted. And because it's minted, one of the characteristics of the blockchain is that it is immutable, which means that whatever has been on the blockchain cannot be changed at all. It is immutable, it is transparent, and then you also have the fact that the blockchain is secure. So the symbol of this our coin, what should the symbol of this our coin be? TikTok GPT. So let's TGC. TGC. TikTok GPT coin. So let's use that, or should we use TTGC? TTGC, TikTok GPT coin. TGC. TGC is okay. Okay. So you have to choose the supply of the coin that you are what creating. You have to choose the supply of this coin. So how do you choose the supply of this coin? You most times most coins are usually like 1 billion in terms of their supply, but I think I would go with how many how many millions or billions should we go with? What? 1 billion. No. Okay. The reason why the reason why I don't use it, I don't want us to use billion is because of the value and yes, and then I want us to create a sense of scarcity of our coin in the minds of our buyers, especially in the Solana ecosystem where you have all the coins that are already minted out in billions, billions, billions. So let's have a bit of tweak to our own process. So let's say our process is Bitcoin is 21 million. 21 million multiplied by 21 million multiplied by God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost. That will be what? 63 billion. So 21 million times. So let's 10x. Let's 10x whatever we're doing. So let's say 20, 210 million. 210 million coins. 200 and 1, 2, 3, come on. 1, 2, 3, come on. Have I gotten 210 million? You need one additional zero. So now I'm going to be uploading the image of our 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma. So what is the description of this our coin? What is the description of this our coin? Ouch. Prior to now, guys, before now, I've done this. I've come to I've created the TikTok GPT coin social media handle. So the reason I didn't create it here is because I wanted us to save some time. So now this is created. If you go to the profile, you see it. You see some. Wow! Last night when I was working on this, we only had 52 followers here. So this is our website tiktokgpt.live. So what is our coin about? You just imagine the viral power of TikTok and meme culture surrounding it using what? AI. So guys, yes, last night I created this video for our TikTok, and there are 7 comments already on it. Wow. So this was the video I created. All right, guys. So that's That's all you need to do. And how did I do this? Just the same way I used the ideogram to create that image. I used in video AI to create that video. I use this tool called in video AI to what? To create that video. So I turn my ideas into what? Into motion videos. Now I've uploaded that video here and wow, 9 comments, na again. Oh my god. So let me go back to the notification, go back to where we're creating our, and then let's go and put in this. So imagine leveraging the viral power of TikTok and the meme culture surrounding it using AI. That is what we have as TikTok GPT what coin. Guys, whenever Jesus, we have not connected our wallet. So we must connect our wallets. So guys, whenever you are doing this, you just have to, you must you must revoke freeze, because if you don't revoke this freeze authority, you will not be able to add liquidity. You can see it allows you to create a liquidity pool. And when you revoke this mint authority, it allows you to increase what token supply. Like for this one, what this means is that imagine we create this cryptocurrency now 200 million coins or 210 million coins, and people buy this 210 million coins. Nobody wants to buy your token when they know that you can print that you can use. And you want to already see. So let's go in um what you call it. To create I have a Telegram link now. Wow. Okay. Hola. Officially, you are the admin of that Telegram link. This is our Twitter link, right? They can always go to this place.
Why did
Um,
you say that it's optional?
come again.
Why did you say that it's optional?
Often I show you this, so it's not.
Yes, you can create your coin without a website. You can create your coin without any social media link. You can create your coin without any Telegram link. But it's best. Do you understand? It's best you create it using what? A good link. And I think what we can do, we sorry, someone bring my Telegram. I have one. I think I have one community that there are people inside, and I'm not using that community. So let me just copy it, change the name to this, because I want it to be that when people go into the community, there should be already some inside the what, in the community. So guys, I'm going to my own Telegram now. Telegram. Let me go to community. COMMUNITY. Hmm. Hi Ola. Where you sent me the link you created?
Yeah.
Where did you send it?
So,
Account?
yeah.
All right. What? TikTok GPT coin. Set a new photo. Uh, okay.
So,
Thank you, Ola. I've seen it now. Guys, sorry it's taking this long. We have to ensure that it's perfect. Leveraging. Done. Yes. Okay. Ola, please come. Hi, Ola, come. Ola, please come. How do you pick the link from here?
you want to send the link to
Yes,
go to your Telegram.
for this community.
No, you go to my website.
Okay, let me share this to you. Huh? Why is it not showing?
Go to my contact.
Mm. $1,000. Hola. Okay. I just want to check this again. All right, I've seen it. Okay, prior to now, I've also created a website for this TikTok GPT.live. If you come here to you see TikTok GPT.live. Can you guys see the website here? TikTok GPT.live. When we started now, we had 62 followers. How many of you saw that we had 62 followers now? But now we have gone to 68 followers when we started creating this. So we've added 6 followers now. So TikTok GPT.live is the website. So let's go back and ensure that it is